So when you purchase hydrogen peroxide at the drugstore, it's going to have an expiration date on it. And that's because hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen gas. And sunlight makes that happen faster. That's why you purchase it in dark bottles. But you should always check that expiration date, because if it's after the expiration date, you're just buying a bottle of water with a little bit of oxygen gas on top. Now, when you have a cut or a scrape and you pour peroxide on that cut or scrape, you see the bubbles. And that's because your blood has an enzyme in it that speeds up the decomposition reaction and turns it into oxygen gas faster. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. We're going to decompose hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, and then I'm going to prove to you that it really is oxygen gas. So this peroxide is decomposing right now, but it's doing it slowly. In order to speed it up, we need a catalyst, something to make it go faster. We're going to use a little manganese dioxide. Now the bubbles that you can see are oxygen gas, and I'll prove that to you by lighting this stick on fire. Can you see what's happening? I blow the stick out. When it gets down here, it pops back into light again. It's because the bubbles are pure oxygen gas, and you might even notice the flame burns a brighter color in the oxygen atmosphere than it does out of the beaker.